Hey Apartment Therapy, I'm Alexis.
And I'm Kaleb.
And we live in New Orleans. Welcome to our home. Hey you guys, so this is our home. We have 430 square feet in this apartment.
This is the living room. It's the first part of our house that you enter into, and it is very small.
Living room, kitchen, all kind of one open space. Part of our design style is definitely we try to be practical as well as aesthetically pleasing. So the white countertops and the white walls with a husband who is in heavy construction and is covered in grease and mud all the time. Not my best decision, but to combat that, I did black knobs.
Okay, so this is our bathroom. We have the same brick, exposed brick in here as we do on the other side in the kitchen. I put that transom window up there to let in some extra light.
For this bathroom, to try and make it more feminine, I added like gold and crystal knobs and then a gold mirror. And then we have crystal and gold up there too. I'm always looking for a deal. So I got this bench for $10. And the headboard was actually my grandmother's headboard. I use these everywhere now if I'm ever putting curtains up anywhere. It's just painter's cloth. So this really pretty painting is actually, Kaleb's mom is an artist. And so she painted this for my birthday one year. And this chair is also a family heirloom. This was my great-grandmother's chair, which I love.
This closet wasn't an original part of the house. This was just a big empty room. So we incorporated this space up above our closet to act as our attic. The entrance to this actually used to be back here with a huge hallway, and we thought that was a big wasted space, so we moved this.
This has brought a lot of peace to such a small space. Having organized, dedicated places for everything really makes it a lot easier and makes it not feel cluttered in here.
This is Buddy. I've had him for 20 years. He's a cockatiel and he's been a part of my family, so when we got married I said he has to come along.
We got this bird cage. I painted this bottom gold instead of brown and then put Buddy's toys in there, and now we have a pretty bird cage to look at with gold accents that kind of matches the gold throughout our house, and he loves it.
And we set it up on a pulley system, so if ever we have too much company over, we can pull him into the ceiling and he disappears, and then we can put more chairs.
Bye you guys, thanks for checking out our home.